Welcome to our roundup of the best brushless angle grinder options. Whether you are cutting metal, grinding welds, polishing surfaces, or tackling DIY and workshop projects, we have selected powerful brushless angle grinders that deliver efficiency, durability, and smooth performance. We will break down each model's motor strength, speed control, battery performance, safety features, and overall usability to help you choose the right tool for your needs. Make sure to check the description box below for the best available deals. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Magnet 125mm brushless angle grinder. The Magnet grinder is built for users who want power and consistency for demanding tasks. It features a high-efficiency brushless motor, variable speed control, and 125mm cutting capacity, making it suitable for metal cutting, grinding, and surface finishing. The brushless design reduces heat buildup and extends motor life, ensuring stable performance even during long work sessions. Its strong torque output helps maintain speed under load, allowing smoother and faster cuts with less effort from the user. This grinder is designed with comfort and safety in mind. The slim ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. An advanced airflow system improves cooling, while the electronic protection system helps prevent overload and sudden kickback. Whether you are a professional fabricator or a serious DIY user, this tool delivers reliable results across a wide range of applications. Overall, the Magnet angle grinder stands out as a powerful and dependable option for users who want long-lasting performance and precise control. Next up is the STEM Mini electric angle grinder. The STEM Mini grinder is compact yet capable, featuring a lightweight body, high-speed motor, and easy one-hand operation. Its small size makes it ideal for tight spaces, detailed work, and quick cutting or polishing tasks. Despite its mini form, it delivers consistent power for light to medium-duty jobs, making it a handy addition to any home workshop. The ergonomic design allows for excellent maneuverability, while the smooth start system reduces sudden jerks when powering on. This makes it safer and easier to control, especially for beginners. The STEM Mini is also easy to store and transport, which adds to its convenience. Overall, this grinder is a great choice for users who prioritize portability, simplicity, and precision in smaller projects. Next, we have the Nubony 125mm brushless cordless electric angle grinder. The Nubony grinder is designed for users who need freedom of movement without sacrificing power. It offers a cordless brushless motor, strong cutting performance, and extended battery efficiency. The brushless motor delivers steady torque while maximizing battery life, making it suitable for demanding cutting and grinding tasks. This model includes intelligent safety features such as overload protection and soft start, which improve control and reduce wear on the motor. The balanced body design helps minimize vibration, allowing for cleaner cuts and better accuracy. Its cordless operation makes it especially useful for outdoor work or job sites where power outlets are limited. Overall, the Nubony grinder is an excellent option for users who want flexibility, power, and modern brushless efficiency in one tool. Next, we have the Electric Goddess 125/100mm brushless angle grinder. The Electric Goddess grinder offers versatility with support for both dual disc size compatibility, high-torque brushless motor, and adjustable speed settings. This flexibility allows users to switch between cutting and grinding tasks with ease. The brushless motor ensures smoother operation and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed models. Comfort and control are key strengths of this grinder. The anti-slip grip and well-balanced weight distribution improve handling, while the safety guard helps protect against sparks and debris. Its adjustable speed makes it suitable for working on different materials, from metal to tile. Overall, the Electric Goddess grinder is a versatile and user-friendly tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need adaptability in their workflow. The last one on our list is the Hilda 12V Miniature Rechargeable Mini Angle Grinder. The Hilda Mini Grinder is designed for precision and portability, featuring a compact rechargeable design, brushless efficiency, and lightweight construction. It is ideal for small cutting, polishing, and finishing tasks where control matters more than raw power. The 12-volt system provides enough strength for detailed work while remaining easy to handle. This grinder is especially useful for hobbyists, electronics work, and small repairs. Its rechargeable battery allows cordless convenience, and the quiet, smooth operation makes it comfortable to use indoors. While it is not intended for heavy-duty cutting, it excels at precision tasks and quick fixes. Overall, the Hilda Mini Angle Grinder is a great choice for users who want portability, control, and ease of use in a compact tool. So, those are our top picks for the best brushless angle grinders available right now. Each option offers a unique balance of power, portability, and features to match different needs and skill levels. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews and buying guides. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.